How to set up permissions in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by clicking either the search icon in your taskbar, so the magnifying glass, or going to the start menu and search for settings. Click the best match, which would be the settings app. Once you're in here, on the left, you can go down to privacy and security, which is the second to last. Once you're in there, you want to scroll down until you see app permissions, which is what we want. And you can see you can change the location permission, camera, microphone, voice activation, notification, account info, contacts, calendar, and all these other things that you can enable and disable permission for. Now, if you want to change app permissions depending on location, you click that. And at the top, you can see this is the master toggle. For me, location services are off. But if you want to turn them on, just enable the master toggle. Then you can see let apps access your location. Turn this on as well. And then you can individually let the app that you want to enable the location service, in this case, on. Let's say maps. You want to be able that maps reads your location, so turn this on. If you don't want that, toggle it off again, off, and you can do this for all these other different methods and permissions you can give applications in your Windows. I hope I could help you out. If I did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.